The 2023 Freewheeler has come in, all blacked out, new wheels, bigger wheels, absolutely gorgeous. They don't even offer this in chrome anymore, which is awesome. This bike blacked out doesn't get any better. All right, everybody, so like I said, we're all excited about this bike because they've just absolutely made this bike sexy. We're all real excited about this bike coming out, being all blacked out, being as beautiful as it is. 4-piston brakes up front, dual rotor. You got the Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch pushing this thing down the road. You've got a 19-inch front wheel, and you got now this beautiful mag wheel on the back, which is an 18-inch wheel. This is the vivid black. You can see they kind of broke it up a little bit. You got a gray pinstripe that runs front fender, tank, back through the rear fenders on this thing. When Josh gets around to the back side of this, I mean, this is just a hot rod looking type of bike. We're all gonna get to 3 wheels at some point. If you're a rider, I know I'm going to. This is probably gonna be one of those choices where I'll be on something like this. Because again, this bike is absolutely just sexy. All right, you guys, so a lot of people don't know when you get to the Freewheelers, it still has that same suspension that Harley's got on all their stuff, where it's got that twist dial to adjustment and such. I'm gonna show you real quick on that. Pop the seat off, set it off to the side, and then right in here, you got your dial for adjusting your preload on your suspension. So when you get in here, obviously my hand's gonna block some of this stuff, but you get in, start giving this thing a twist, you'll see your numbers start changing up. It goes through a series of clicks. I don't know if you can hear that from where you're sitting, which is your house. Hear that little click in there? That's telling me it's gone to the next thing. Now you can see I've gone up from negative numbers here up into, I'm at the 5 number. Again, I'd have to refer to my owner's manual to tell me what that is supporting as far as weight and such.
Wave in the mirror. It's so shiny we can see ourselves.
So, where are we going on the Freewheeler today? All right, everybody, so this is the 2023 Freewheeler. All blacked out, sexy goodness. Gotta come in and check it out. We're on Dale Mabry Highway. Online's not gonna do it for you on this. You gotta come check it out. So, check us out here on Dale Mabry Highway or 24/7 at hdflorida.com. Come check out your boy Ghost. Come check out this sexy beast. Peace. Great day at Tampa Harley. The 2023, I was gonna say Road Glide, but it's not the Road Glide. The Freewheeler. You wanna play with my Freewheeler with me? All right, everybody.